Quint, you're living hell to me. You blessed me since 1963. I've seen them come and go, I've seen them die. Long ago, I stopped to asking why. San Quentin, I hate every inch of you. You caught me and you scarred me through and through. I walk out a wise, weaker man. Mr. Congressman, why can't you understand? Big one for John White. San Quentin, what good do you think you do? Do you think I'll be different when you're through? You bend my heart and mind, you torture my soul. You stone walls turn my blood a little cold. San Quentin, may you rot and burn in hell. May your stone walls fall and may I live to tell. May all the world forget you ever stood, and may all the world regret you did no good.